What's up, brothers and sisters? Traffic in Taiwan is so dangerous. There are a lot of reckless driver and weird road design here, so I have a high chance to get involved to a car accident here. As a cautious Asian, I will not go outside without any protection. So I ordered a dash cam online. If I get into a car accident, I can prove it. It's basically my fault. Before installing the dashcam, we need to get the electricity from the battery. So I checked the circuit diagram to know which wire can I get electricity and which one can I connect to the ground. And then we do the wire crimping and insert it to the connector, and we are ready to go. Very easy. Okay, it's time to test it out to see if my amateur homemade wire can be working on my bike. After I found out the connector is on the wrong side, I spent another 15 minutes to fix it and ready to go to give you a second chance to try it. Since we got a power, what we're gonna do next is installing 2 camera and 1 controller. For installing the rear cam, we need to take off the back seat and the gas tank. Without power drill, it took me a while to unscrew these screws because they are super tight, yeah! For a better angle to unscrew it, I decided to remove the shock absorber first, and it works. After we took off all the screws, we can remove the back seat easily. And we are going to remove the gas tank next. The gas tank only have 1 screw on it, and it is very easy to remove it. Under the gas tank, we have 4 items we need to remove. The first one is the breather hose.
It's too late now, I remember everything, and how careless we could be, and how careless we could be.
And the second one is the pump wire connector. It's very easy to remove it. And the third one is the fuel hose. and I don't know why the pump didn't shut. The gas keep leaking out like crazy.
We were so loud, we were so proud, we had no doubts. Weekends and weekdays, we'd spend our own way. We were careless, we were fearless, we were reckless, time was precious. We loved to waste time, whiskey and wine, drinking all night, asleep by your side, finally alive.
And the last thing we need to remove it is the gas tank unit wire connector. It is under the gas tank. After we remove the gas tank, we can finally start to install our camera and controller and do the wire organization. And here is how it looks after we took all the stuff out of it. And by the way, the liquid underground is not my pee.
It's too late now, I remember everything, and how careless we could be, and how careless we could be, and how careless we could be. And how careless we could be. And how careless we could be. And how careless we could be.
Too late now, I remember you and me, and how careless we could be.
Growing up, parents got me a guitar. Said you could do anything, kid, you could go far. You could be the president, fireman, race cars. The sky's the limit, kid, so shoot for the stars. So I strummed that guitar every day. Found a passion for music, never went away. I joined a couple bands and played a few shows. Tried to impress the girl in the front row. But soon enough, everything starts to change. As you grow up, nobody treats you the same. They try to take your future and make it real safe. You could be a doctor, accountant, or something sane. But yo, whatever happened to the sky was the limit. I fell in love with music, never thought it was a gimmick. I worked so hard on every tune and every single lyric. My whole identity depended on being artistic. Now you wanna strip that away so you feel okay? Cause if I make it to the top, what does that really say? That you shouldn't have given up, that you made the mistake? But if I fail, you feel much better about picking your lane, right? Yeah, things are gonna get better real soon. Yeah, I'ma just do me, you just do you. I swear it's gonna get better real soon. Don't let anyone tell you what you should do. I got a clear view, we're gonna make it soon. Just keep pushing through. You're what you got to lose. You're what you got to lose. You're what you got to lose. Just keep pushing through. Cause what you got to lose. Got to lose. Got to lose. Got to lose.
After all the hard work, my hand becomes so filthy. I wish I were wearing the rubber gloves at the beginning. And here is how it looks in morning and night. The quality is only 1080p. For essential self-protection, I think it is enough. But if you want me to upgrade it, please subscribe my channel and leave a comment to tell me any content you want to see. Maybe I will do it in the future. And thank you for your watching, and we will see you on the next video. See ya!